Welcome back to another vlog. We are in Augusta, Georgia, on our way to an air show. Well, we're already here at the air show. See some military planes, some military helicopters. You know, gotta represent, got them dog tags on, that camo. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. They got a military band. I'm fucking hungry as hell. These all snacks over here. Food. You ain't make sure I ate something this morning. Is this all the food shit over here? That's it? No, I smell real food. We are not trying to be listening to this the whole time. Oh, there you go, right there. All right, so you got hot dogs, chicken fingers, nachos, Philly cheesesteak. All right, we about to find out where the food at.
We were out here for all day, like bringing that wagon that I got Camilla. That's when that would come in handy.
Chicken fingers and fries, thick, juicy burgers. That's what I want. And ain't nobody there though. Huh?
Oh, so it's 14. Thick and juicy burgers, 14. Nathan's hot dogs, $6.
How you doing? There's nobody for the thick, juicy burgers?
Yeah, so we only have one station of the burgers open. It'll be right there in the yellow.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Do we pay here? We pay over there?
You pay, so you see the woman in the black hat and the black shirt? You pay with her.
Okay, thank you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
What can I do for you?
I want to get one of the burgers.
Okay.
They got drinks back there too?
Drinks are sold separately on the side.
Okay. Well, how do y'all take payment?
Card's fine.
Okay.
You got tap to pay?
I think yeah.
Alright, so it comes $14.42 and then you just hold it over the phone. You might have to finagle it. There we go. And then it has the usual prompts. Don't feel obligated to tip. It goes to Air Force relevance, but no thanks is at the bottom. And then same for receipt.
You said send for a receipt? Or no receipt?
Yeah. I'll give you this ticket. Exchange it for a burger up there.
Yeah.
Let them know if you want cheese or not.
Okay. And I get a drink too?
The drink's sold separately over there. It doesn't come with the drink.
I gotta pay for the drink over there or
Yeah.
here? Okay.
Each line is just its own.
Its own thing? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, have it.
How you doing?
Sir. What can I get for you? Or what would you like on it? I know what you're here for.
I just take cheese.
All right, we got lettuce and tomato too. Like
You do? Yeah, I do lettuce, tomatoes, cheese.
All right. All of the above.
We got our food. See if Kristen get her food. Do we have somewhere we can sit to eat? Huh?
I don't know.
Fuck, then this shit. Let's use this. I'll show y'all what we got. Oh, that taco fire. What you got in your taco?
It's lamb.
Lamb?
Yeah.
Oh shit, fancy ass. And I just got a regular burger. And a Coke, of course.
I'll give me a lemonade afterwards.
I fucked that damn burger up, yo. I know y'all was hungry. I did see one of them booths down there. They was talking about veterans with less than 100% disability. I probably need to go holler at them.
Oh, come on. I can walk and eat. By the time I get over there, I'll be done.
Yeah, go get your lemonade.
I forgot we got water, though. I don't want that water to be hot when I drink it. So I'll drink one of those.
You sure?
Did you want to taste it?
It's alright. What's going on? So I'm a veteran, man.
Okay.
Alright, so what I need to do,
Grab your contact information, what branch you served in, just basic, what's your condition, and I'll put some notes in there. We're based out of Jacksonville, so somebody will call you next week.
No.
Just tell them what time to call you. They'll send you the paperwork so they can help you get that increase. That's it.
alright.
Where y'all from?
I'm originally from New York.
From New York? My
Yeah.
father's from the Bronx. My aunts were born in Manhattan.
Yeah, I was born and raised in Queens.
That's what's up. I got family in Queens and Harlem.
Yeah, one of the things when I was in the military,
Yeah,
I didn't really run down to medical too much.
right.
You know what I'm saying? But I was dealing with like I had a no shave shit.
Right.
That, you know, you get the razor bumps and shit like that. And then I also had for acne. So that's how I got to the Saint. But I was like, damn, I ain't really go down there too much, like report too many things.
Right.
So, but I know people know like workarounds with that.
No, definitely. Have you ever seen anything traumatic or suffer any type of PTSD?
Yeah, there's people that kill their goddamn self, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, for real. My grandfather's retired Navy. Two other grandfathers retired Army. My uncle is a lieutenant.
I click that button, just check it out.
Yeah, I'll take over the notes. I'm gonna put
Do you have like a business card or something too? Or okay. You gonna put that in the back for me? Put it in there.
got your information. We'll go ahead and submit this. And somebody will call you from one of our associates from a 904 number.
904?
We're from Jacksonville.
Okay. Appreciate it,
Get you
man.
squared away.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
You have a good one.
You too.
Yeah. We're trying to get to that bag, you feel me? Increase the benefits. I probably shouldn't be saying that because there's more people that want money from me. Like, yeah, nigga, all your money going out the fucking house.
Rock me, mama, like a running wheel. Rock me, mama, any way.
What seats were you talking about? What seats were you talking about?
They got a address that says where everything is at. I don't know. Oh, they got smoothies. I want a smoothie. How much is smoothies?
$12 cash.
You want one?
I'll get one.
Let me get two. I want a strawberry banana.
I'll get this.
We are your Air Force Band. We're stationed.
That's the strawberry banana?
Yeah.
I got the second one.
We walk.
All right. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
You too.
Bomb Squad.
Mm-hmm.
We can sit and do
The what?
the simulation.
KJ put, well, I don't know. It ain't 4 tonight, so.
You had a screen like that in your room.
Get out the chopper. The chopper. See that big gun up there? It's called a 50 cal. Yeah, it's a 50 cal. This is with the gun that we had on the boat. We had 22 of them things on the sides of the ship. See how big them bullets is?
Yeah.
Those joints pass through boats.
That's crazy.
They use them shits to sink ships.
Down here too.
For the preferred people.
I do a little bit less because by myself.
They probably teach you how to use a tourniquet and all that type of stuff. Out here in Augusta on this beautiful day. We've been doing a lot of outside activities lately. When we went to the gathering, we was outside like this. And then when we go to NASCAR, we gonna be outside like this. Well, we'll be sitting in the stands and shit, but. Huh? I can't hear you. You know you can't talk regular when we outside. Like you gotta speak up.
Next week we go to the circus.
Yeah.
That's not daddy. I did fun.
Nah, that's cool. Oh, that's just the other entrance.
That I'm wasting time.
Damn, you said one thing and stopped.
I was thinking.
What the fuck was that? Because I'm like, I done did a lot of shit
What?
in the last 6 months.
The museum, the air show, that's the fun show, okay. And then we'll do NASCAR. That's it. Yeah, but I feel like it's something else I'm just not thinking of.
Shit, and then I done been state to state, all over the damn place, so.
Atlanta, New York,
Florida.
except for
That's
Okay, well, A's the front row. Yeah, it should be down that way.
down that
And
way.
like I said, A's the front row.
They got numbers on the chairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
E1.
E1
Yeah, E1 and
all the way to
E2.
the end. Yeah, the front row is A, so A, B, C, D, E would be all the way on the end. 1 and 2 would be on the end. The number's on the back of the chair.
Okay.
Thank
All right,
you.
thank you.
And there's bathrooms down here, but they said there's no water in the little pump thing.
Oh, God. That means we got the stinky porta potties. Hope you ain't got to use the bathroom.
But I slow sip.
Oh, God. All right. Right here. E1, E2. Yeah, so we sit here. Got our seats. I done spoke to some people that I need to speak to so we get this bread. And yeah, I think my manager he got flight line tickets. That nigga said he paid almost $200 for his shit. It was like 180 something.
Why would he have to pay if he's taking pictures for somebody? That's crazy.
Thank you so much.
I don't know.
We are your Air Force band.
Unless he's doing it like personally, but
He should be considered a vendor if that's the case.
You've been dancing.
If he's doing it
Mom,
for someone.
Where Mom is, she's been dancing. We love that.
I put us right here
She's gonna
on
be in
the
the Air Force.
line.
Look, she's already
We
got
right
a
here on
lanyard.
the
She's ready to
line,
go.
baby.
Now here in just a minute, we're going to have some jumpers jump out of that aircraft here in just a second. And when they get down a little bit lower, our national anthem will be sung by Augusta's very own Mr. Joe Weathers. Joe is a phenomenal performer, at one point part of American Idol, and he is just, you are going to love to hear him. So we're looking up overhead. I've got jumpers away, ladies and gentlemen. You see Mike begin to circle. We've got 5 total jumpers coming today. 3 of them will track out. They are jumper parachute team officer Chris Fucci. Second jumper is parachute team officer Andy Serrano. Third jumper, Marine Corps Colonel Ryan Hunt. Fourth jumper is Army Ranger Pete Ostrander. And the fifth jumper, high in the sky, he will be flying Old Glory, is Army Ranger Steve Travers. The Paracommandos, this is the U.S. Special Operations Command parachute team known as the Paracommandos. And they are the only joint and combined parachute team in the Department of Defense. The team leader, Mr. Tim Groves, is serving as a drop zone safety officer. So as you look up high now, ladies and gentlemen, you see 4 good shoots. You see Mike Gullion circling the highest jumper up there, and Old Glory is unfurled. So this will be a great time for you, ladies and gentlemen, to make your way to where you can stand. Gentlemen, we'd ask that you remove cover if possible as we watch these expert parachute folks make their way down. Now they're going to drift back towards Show Center, right in behind the stage. You can see a black and gold flag, a feather flag sticking up out there. That's their target. You see the lower 3 parachute jumpers have their smoke on as they make their way back. The Paracommandos are SOCOM's premier aerial parachute demonstration team. They perform at high visibility events across the nation, informing the public about the command's mission. And the contributions of 73,000 plus soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, Guardians, and Department of Defense civilians are making across the United States. Different than maybe you're imagining from the movies. They're not round, they are a pair of foils. You see actually the air has filled them. Each one of those chutes is actually a wing. You see the skydivers now maneuvering as they pull on the left and the right cords. They can turn right and left. They can also spin and lose altitude fast. They can also track across the ground. You can see how tactically this would be an advantage where you could jump out of an aircraft very high, drop down, open the parachute, and then track across the ground silently to be inserted. Now watch here as they turn. They're not only spacing and making their way back to the landing site, but they are making their way to land one right after the other, so spacing one behind each other. Now I want you to keep your eye on Mike Gullion as he continues to circle up there, as he circles our highest jumper. And that jumper's going to turn on some smoke here in a little bit. At that point, Joe will begin our national anthem. So as we continue to watch the SOCOM Paracommandos make their way in, ladies and gentlemen, now I'd ask that you would stand if you're not already. Gentlemen, remove cover as we honor America with the singing of our national anthem. Oh, say, can you see? gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave on the land of the free and the home of the brave?
good, yo. Them fucking planes do something to me every time, bro. Every time. That's always the grand finale. It's the reason why everybody came. Good show. Overall good show. I really enjoyed it. I've seen the Blue Angels before, but it's been a while. And now we're on our way back to the crib. Good air show. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Yeah.